Now, 25 people were tragically killed in a massive fire that broke out at a well-known restaurant Birj in Goa's Arpora. The deceased include 4 tourists. The rest were people working at the restaurant. Now, multiple fire tenders were rushed to the spot. Nearly after 2 hours of intense efforts, the blaze was finally brought under control. Visuals of which present on your screens at the moment. Meanwhile, the Goa Chief Minister Pramod Sawant too visited the spot. While Sawant has inquired a stringent inquiry into the incident, initial probe shows that the eatery violated fire safety norms. The eatery has now been sealed and the questioning of the owners and the management is currently underway. Meanwhile, Prime Minister Narendra Modi spoke to the Chief Minister Pramod Sawant and an ex-gratia of Rs 2 lakh has been announced by the Prime Minister's office. Listen in to the reactions coming in on this.
मैं एक्चुअली घर पे जा रहा था तभी देखा कि आवाज़ आया ब्लास्ट का वगैरह, तो मैं देखा कि मेरे एक्चुअली नियर बाई घर है इधर। मैं देखा था कि अभी आग जला। एक्चुअली मोस्टली क्या होता है इधर, कभी पटाखे जलते हैं, कुछ फंक्शन होता है वगैरह, तो उतना ये मतलब हम लोग ने इतना वो चेयर नहीं लिया। थोड़े टाइम के बाद घर पे गया मैं, एम्बुलेंस जा रही है तो बाद में अपनी गाड़ी लेके उस साइड में गए तो देखा तो ये सब इंसिडेंट हो चुका था।
जो आज क्लब में जो इंसिडेंट्स हुआ, अनफॉर्चुनेट इंसिडेंट्स, इस तरह का इंसिडेंट्स कभी नहीं होना चाहिए। गोवा जैसे टूरिज्म स्टेट में कुछ जो इलीगल्स या विदाउट परमिशन इस तरह के जो चलाते हैं, और इसी में जो फायर इंसिडेंट्स हुआ, इसी के कारण यहाँ पे जो उनके स्टाफ और एक 3-4 टूरिस्ट जो अंदर थे, ने 2-3 इनको जल के हुआ, बाकी लोग बिकॉज ऑफ द सफोकेशन उनकी डेथ हो गई। ऑल टुगेदर 23 लोगों की डेथ हो चुकी है। जिनकी डेथ हो चुकी है उनके प्रति संवेदना मैं व्यक्त करता हूँ। गोवा सरकार की तरफ से पूरी उसकी इंक्वायरी की जाएगी और जो कल्प्रिट इसमें हैं जो उनको बिहाइंड द बार्स किया जाएगा।
एक ये अनफॉर्चुनेट इंसिडेंट हुआ है यहाँ पे अल्पोरा के अंदर में एक रेस्टोरेंट कम क्लब है, वहाँ पे 12:04 पे पुलिस कंट्रोल रूम में इंफॉर्मेशन आई कि वहाँ कोई फायर इंसिडेंट हुआ है और वहाँ इमिडिएटली पुलिस और फायर ब्रिगेड और एम्बुलेंस वगैरह सब ने रश किया उधर। तो अब फायर तो अंडर कंट्रोल है और वहाँ से डेड बॉडीज सारी निकाली गई हैं, तो उसमें टोटल जो डेथ काउंट है उसमें 23 है। अभी इस घटना के कारणों की जांच पुलिस करेगी और उसमें जो भी उसके कंक्लूजन निकल के आते हैं जांच के, उसके हिसाब से हम लोग इसमें एक्शन लेंगे।
Meanwhile, my colleague Anish has been tracking the story for us. Listen into what he had to say.
This incident took place, between 12 midnight till 1 a.m., where a massive amount of fire broke out, which led to firstly confusion and ruckus being caused. Initial reports from the ground suggest that the fire broke out from the kitchen, but we are yet to get a confirmation on that. Now, as the Chief Minister and the local DGP there has confirmed, it has claimed at least 23 lives as of yet, a majority of which are because of suffocation. But a lot of these lives are also been claimed because of injuries. A lot of people who eventually ended up succumbing to their injuries. And most of these people, in fact, all of these people were later on shifted to the close by government hospital. Now, what is important to understand is what Chief Minister Pramod Sawant said a while back, where he said that, the government will crack down on all of these illegal places which have been functioning for quite some time. Now, talking about this particular party space itself, it has been operating in North Goa's Arpora region, which is a very popular tourist spot for almost a year. And there has almost been no action taken against it, considering that it is in a locality which is preferred by the tourists. Which means which raises some serious questions on, did the government show some sort of a high-handedness and wait for such kind of situation to unfold? Now, as the police has also confirmed that investigation is going to take place, and besides this particular independent event, the police and the local panchayat along with the state government will firstly be sending notices to all of the illegal places which have, where people come and gatherings happen, considering that it's the year ender, considering that, this is the period where the coastal state will see a majority of its tourists. But on the other hand, they will also hold fire audit, something which is surprisingly not been done in a long time across the places in Goa. Now that will finally be done is something that has been assured by the Chief Minister himself. Back to the studio.
Meanwhile, we have my colleague Sujata joining us on the broadcast with more details. Sujata, walk us through what is the latest that you're tracking on this story this hour. We know that the death toll has risen to 25.
Well, yes, the devastating fire has caused so far, has claimed the lives of 27 people, out of which 4 are confirmed tourists, whereas 14 of them are identified to be the staff members, whereas rest 7 are still, their identities are tried to be established to understand whether they were the tourists or the staff members that were present at the spot. Now, important concerns, in the entire matter, like Anuj mentioned, was that of the fire safety norms not being practiced by such clubs. We know that Goa is a complete party place where usually, especially in December, there are tons of tourists who visit to celebrate festivities and the New Year celebrations. And as we know that it had already started, and in a nightclub situated in North Goa in the Arpora area, which is of course well known, we know that the fire safety norms in the preliminary investigation has come out that were not being followed, especially when it comes to the presence of emergency exits in these clubs. Now, the police in the preliminary investigation also found out and said so that it cannot be declared as a cylinder blast because there was no such sound, the major sound work that was heard by the locals there, because of which investigation by the forensic team is also underway to understand the main cause of the incident. But we know so far that usually in such clubs there are these firecrackers as well as chemicals that are usually stored for celebration purpose. Was it because of this that the fire rapidly spread and it turned out to be a major blaze is something that is currently being investigated. At the Goa Medical Hospital, there are 7 of these injured that are being treated. An ex gratia of 2 lakh rupees has been announced by the Prime Minister Relief Fund, as well as 50,000 rupees for the injured. So, and all of the necessary services are also being provided to them to ensure that they get the necessary help. But yes, of course, the major belt here to untie is that of these practices that are being done by these clubs, where no of these fire safety standards are being followed, neither proper permissions are obtained, because of which we see such incidents taking place, which definitely risks the life of the staff as well as the tourists who come there trusting on these nightclubs with their safety, but eventually losing their life, like we saw happening in Arpora at this nightclub.
Right, absolutely, Sujata. You also mentioned that, of course, there were certain fire safety norms that could have been violated, although we have to wait for more information on that as investigators are investigating the incident. But I also wish to understand from you, has there been any action taken against the owner so far?
Well, the owner, of course, will be summoned and questioned because this entire matter has, of course, claimed 25 lives. And, of course, the staff, in what condition were they kept? Were they all, residing in the same premises of the nightclub is something to be understood at this point. But, of course, like you mentioned, that fire safety norms, we know that were violated, and there was no proper permissions. There were no emergency exits. There was no presence of fire extinguishers in the premise of the nightclub, and because of which the owner of the nightclub, of course, has to be questioned by the police authorities. But for now, it is, at the site where we see that there are ambulances, there are all of these officials from the fire team as well as the police officials who are at the spot trying to, uncover every layer of this incident that has occurred, after which also because we know that the people who have died in the incident, out of which 19 of them are reportedly said to be, have been died because of suffocation, because of extensive smoke, whereas rest of them they lost their life because of extreme burning. So here in this case, was there a proper management in the nightclub? Were there officials who were aware of these these lags within the premises? What was being done is something that will be investigated now, because the Goa government too has said very clearly that a high level inquiry will be set up in the matter, and after which all of these reasons behind the cause of the fire will be then uncovered, and later, of course, will be shared with us as well. Back to you.
Right, absolutely, Sujata. And because you mentioned that the restaurant was not following the fire safety norms, I also wish to understand from you, could this not perhaps send, of course, action from all across Goa, where the government sort of tightens the noose on these restaurants to check whether they are complying with the fire safety norms or not?
Well, Well, certainly, and with this major incident happening right in the start of the month, where we saw that festivity season have just begun, but Goa is a place where we see that crowd is present throughout the year, and usually the footfall during November and December is extremely high, and with such a famous nightclub having no proper permissions and not following the safety standards, we can definitely understand what would be the condition
Absolutely.
of the other small clubs who would be operating at even more steeper level. For this particular point, it is the officials who will definitely have a crackdown on these restaurants as well as these clubs to find out what exactly and what is the procedural through which they operate, and after which, if they don't have, they will be penalized first, and secondly, they will be either asked to shut down a show cause notice, or probably
Right.
they will be asked to first gather all the necessary documents and then carry out their operations further.
Absolutely, Sujata. Thank you so much for joining us and sharing those details with us. Well, important to understand that a fire has broken out in Goa. The death toll has risen to as many as 25. Remember that cops are citing that the fire safety norms in specific were not followed. An ex-crash of about 2 lakh rupees has been announced for the deceased. But it's important to understand that amid this, the cops are investigating the incident in trying to understand what exactly it was that caused the fire to break out at the club in Goa.